Hello, all. I'm doing a smoke test on my Jeep Liberty. It is a 2080 3.7 liter. I bought this small device on eBay. We put some oil here, then connect it with the battery, and then we have this hose. On my case, I disconnect from here, from the servo, and connect the hose here. And I'm looking for vacuum leaks on the system, but I found out my EGR valve, there is a leak. I can show you, you guys can see the smoke coming from the EGR. So yeah, I have to replace it. But now, so I'm seeing a small smoke coming from here. I don't know if you can see the video, but yeah, I think now you can see the smoke coming from here. I need to figure out what is it. And I put I disconnect this hose, I put the plastic bag here just to avoid smoking coming over here. Yeah, I still have some, but this is normal because this is air. This is from the air coming from. But just showing how I did this tool. Not saying this is the best, just using now for first time. Put oil here, connect with the battery, connect with the hose. There is this connection on the back. And yeah, you can see the smoke over there. And the small leak here. So I will disconnect over there just to show you guys how it works. So I will stop my camera here. Yeah, and you can see the smoke that it generates. So it's going to the system, and that's the way to find out leaks. So yeah, I have 2 points to have a look. So hope this video will help you guys to solve your issues. On my case, when I park the car or just stopping in traffic light, the car is shaking like misfire. And when I check bank 1 and bank 2, it seems like the computer is sending more gas to bank Q to compensate the leaks, because and bank 2 is a little lean. So I hope solving these leaks will help me on my issue. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.